Hello everyone. Happy summer. This is June 1st. So I want to wish everyone, a happy summer. So please enjoy your summer as much as you can. Um, but I am going to be talking about something today that probably most people probably know to do. Um, certain things in summer school are okay. Not all students do get that luxury of having a summer vacation. Either assessing the summer school, bound to happen. Um, it's something to be embarrassed by, something to be ashamed over. Um, and of course, I've been in summer school since I was 10, so from age 10 I was raised 18. So I've been in summer school for 8 years. And when I was part of GCIC, this made it clear which school district. Um, that part being true. Um, more than 100%. And also, please make sure you're honest. In private teachers, I 100% what I say is I do want to say that to all teachers who do have a TikTok account, if you have a TikTok account and you also are a teacher of any school district, um, thumbs up. Thank you for including social media with your education, with your within the classroom, because that's something that something like all school districts, all teachers of all school districts start doing is including social media like TikTok and uh, TikTok, YouTube into their facility in the classroom, especially for security purposes. Um, and so I do want to thank every teacher. I want to say that to all teachers who do have a TikTok account, or all who that's what schools you're from. Yeah, if you are a teacher, you also have a TikTok account. Thumbs up to there. Um, so for me, when I was in grade school, when I was part of GCIC for 9 years, I didn't have the opportunity to. Many of my teachers have a TikTok account. TikTok wasn't around when I was in grade school. So that was one social media that I wish, and was but also wish my teachers would have been more encouraged to use social media within the classroom, especially within the classroom. Uh, Personally, I think as a way of giving opportunity for the teachers to hold themselves accountable for their actions, behavior, and attitude. Because now a lot of that stuff that is being recorded, but now other people are going to be seeing it too, because it's being, hello, it's on YouTube, it's being able to see on YouTube, which is a social media platform. So now, hello, and I think that's one of the that positives that could be positive reason for teachers to have a YouTube or even TikTok account, because it also gives teachers a chance to hold themselves accountable for their behavior and attitude, but also gives them a chance to give themselves a little bit of extra security in the classroom. So that way, if a student is behaving, they can see it for themselves because it's legally caught on camera. They have that tip for teachers, particularly teachers of all school districts, for all school districts. I'm sorry, say that. So that's what I'm going to say. That's something y'all for listening. Thank you.